In this video, you will learn how to create multiple SSIDs with different authentication methods, along with separate VLANs, and create user accounts within the DWC. For example, we can create two different SSIDs with different VLANs, with options to enable and disable captive portal and MAC authentication. To create a new wireless network with a separate VLAN value, click the Wireless tab and select SSID Profiles. Click Add New SSID Profile, give an SSID name, and key in the VLAN value you want to use with this SSID. Save your settings. You can also right-click on an existing network to edit or delete its SSID profile. Now that you've set up your SSID, it's time to configure the external authentication server. To configure a local user database, click the Security tab and select Internal User Database. To create a new user group, click the Groups page and select Add New Group. Key in the group name and description and select the user type. Save your changes. To create a new user account, click the Users page in the Internal User Database section, then click Add New User. Key in the user's details and save your changes. And you're done.